Hello and welcome to Giggles. Today, we are going to learn how to write an effective persuasive essay. Writing a persuasive essay is a crucial skill that will help you express your ideas clearly and impactfully. In this lesson, we will cover the essential steps to follow when writing a persuasive essay. Step 1. Write a catchy heading to hook the readers. Step 2. Write your thesis statement, which should be a clear and concise statement that supports your argument. Clearly mention what side you have chosen and mention the main reasons in the first paragraph of your persuasive essay. Step 3. Use evidence and facts to support your arguments. Start explaining your reasons one by one, supported by ethos, pathos, and logos. This will help strengthen your essay and make it more convincing. Let's quickly recap ethos, pathos, and logos. Ethos is when you showcase your expertise, experience, or reputation, or endorse someone credible to build trust with your audience and make them more likely to accept your message. Example: a doctor advocating for a new cancer treatment might mention the years of research and successful case studies to build ethos. Pathos is when you use emotions and feelings to persuade. Example: an animal shelter advertisement might show heartbreaking footage of abandoned animals to trigger empathy. Logos is when you use facts, data, statistics, and figures to support your argument. Step 4. Write the counter-argument by answering the opposition or the other side of the argument. Start with a phrase like, "Some people might say," or "You might be thinking." Don't forget to support your counter-argument by ethos, pathos, and logos. Step 5. Use transitional words when starting off with a new paragraph and use language that is easy to understand and grammatically correct. Avoid using too many complex words or phrases that may confuse your reader. Step 6. Write your conclusion, restating your main reasons and a call for action for your readers or for the concerned authorities. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you practice writing persuasive essays, the better your skills will become. Good luck, and happy writing!